that to become a Muslim you have only to testify. I testify that there is no God except Allah. And I testify that Muhammad is his messenger and prophet. You become a Muslim. And then you try to go deeper and deeper and deeper into Iman so that it becomes a conviction with you. Conviction about the existence of God. Conviction about the Ba'as-e-Ba'd al-Maut, resurrection. Conviction about the hereafter. Conviction about the institution of prophethood. Conviction that the prophethood came to an end on Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and reached its climax in his personality, etc., etc. So this will add and go on deepening your faith or your Iman or your conviction.